Welcome to the small space to get to know the little corner of our country. We go to Coclé. Let's see. Coclé is a province in central Panama. Its capital is Penonomé, a thriving land where the best places await you. If you like beaches, the Ribera Pacifica is for you. There are several hotel options. For your convenience, you can arrive by plane directly of the beach area, Scarlett Martinez International Airport. It is located in the city of Rio Hato, 30 minutes from the city of Penonomé. We continue our journey to the mountains. You can enjoy the Mercado de Artesanías downtown, where you can buy what you like the most, especially the well-known sombrero pintado. If you are a lover of nature, mountain tranquility, these are for you. We arrive the Iguana Resort Hotel under the shade of gigantic coroto trees, surrounded by the exuberant green of coffee, and as prisoner of one of the most beautiful regions of Panama. Call it the magic of the Penonomeyan mountain in a comfortable and safe rustic natural swimming pool and park. Its facilities are at your disposal. Its gastronomy includes a Panamanian menu, play areas inside and outside, with a river of crystal clear waters that come from the mountain. From trees, you will love everything. Ecotourism lovers have several options in Chiguiri Arriba, such as trails, hikes, waterfall, cave, mountain, beautiful landscape. Pozo Azul, a path with concrete stairs. It is kept well preserved. A beautiful river with a waterfall that ends in a pool of the blue water. Its composition of rock make it a spectacular, unique where you can swim and enjoy the pure air on the mountain and crystal clear water. To get to the wonderful natural spa, stay an hour walking from Cerro La Vieja. The gastronomy is varied. Breakfasts are made with omelette, bun, egg, and variety of meat. We have an excellent typical sancocho, tamales, guacho, arroz con pollo, carimañolas, empanadas de maíz. In the beach restaurant, you will find a variety of rich food based on seafood, such as lobster, spider crab, shrimp, and octopus, as well as fresh local fish. Do not miss the opportunity to experience something different. This is just a snack. This is and more is Coclé.